Hey guys, today I'm back with a super effective, hydrating, nourishing, homemade do-it-yourself serum for that ultimate winter glow. Serum improves your skin texture. It gives you the right amount of moisture required during winter. It fights dry skin, fine lines, dark spots and uneven skin tone. It promotes cell renewal and even the look of dull skin tone and grants you an absolutely beautiful glowing skin. So let's find out how you can prepare this serum. The first ingredient that you need is 4 teaspoons of rose water. Rose water is required for hydration and to maintain healthy glow during winter. The next thing that you need is 1 big teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel conditions and soothes dry, itchy skin. It improves skin tone and combats different signs of aging. Then add 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. This is a soothing oil for acne prone and sensitive skin. The oil penetrates deeply, making it conditioning for dry skin. The mild astringent properties helps tighten, tone and conditions the skin. The next thing that you need is vitamin E capsule. So cut to open the vitamin E capsule and squeeze the oil out. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant as well as a good moisturizing ingredient suitable for all skin types. The next thing that you need is rose otto oil. It's a great essential oil for all skin types and it is rich and intense, and it is also more expensive than the normal rose absolute oil. It supports cell and tissue regeneration and it maintains the elasticity of the skin. And the final ingredient that you need is 6 to 7 drops of glycerin for soft, smooth, glowing skin. So combine well until you achieve a consistency like that of a serum. So now pour the serum into a clean dark glass bottle that comes with a dropper for easy use. So now I'll show you when and how to use this serum. So serum should be used right after cleansing and toning your face. So many of you were asking me to share a good natural cleanser for brightening skin during winter. So this is the one that I absolutely love. It is vitamin C cleanser and you can see this is my second bottle. It gives a brilliant, bright, youthful glow to the skin and it is so gentle, made with all natural ingredients. Believe me, it leaves the skin exceptionally clean, refreshed, bright and smooth. It hydrates your skin, it activates and rejuvenates skin cells, making your skin look youthful. The best thing is that it doesn't strip your skin's natural oils, unlike other face wash. The link to this product I'll share in the description box below, so just go and get it. I'm 100% sure you're gonna love this product. So after you have washed your face with a mild cleanser, pat dry with a towel, and now we are going to apply the serum. So during winter, skip toner and directly use serum. So apply a good amount of serum and gently massage well into your skin. And then follow it up with your favorite moisturizer. So use this twice in a day. Your skin will appear plump, moisturized, smooth, glossy with a bright, healthy glow. So friends, give it a try to make your skin look extremely beautiful in winter. So I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also do share it with your friends. For more such amazing beauty tips, subscribe to your natural beauty channel. Take care and bye.